All right, so let's go over this thing. So we got a 2019 BMW X3 sDrive 30i 4-door. Of course, it's 4-door. You see it's 4-door. All right, so I purchased this vehicle new off the lot. Paperwork say new. The vehicle was new. But see all that paper right there? Yellow pages, work for material, repairs, and the things that BMW said about this vehicle. Wow. So no, without further review, let's get right into it. Now I'm gonna be going over the vehicle with the camera, but I'm gonna also be talking in no specific order, but I'm gonna be going over the vehicle and I'm gonna let you know what's the problem and why this vehicle is deemed a lemon. At the bottom of the video, you drop a comment, likes, you name it, whatever comments you may have, drop it at the bottom. If you have any suggestions, drop it at the bottom also. I definitely appreciate it. But let's get right into it. This vehicle has visited the service department over 8 times. I will not name the service department on this video right here. There will be more videos behind this. I won't name them right now. If you guys want to know the name, or if I can get enough likes on this video or whatnot, we may just name them, okay? But right now we won't name them. So we visited the service department over 8 times within a year. You do the math. 8 times in a year. I just about was in there every month, okay? So where does it start? This vehicle starts at 6,000 miles, my first issue. My first issue was the AC issue. Yes, AC issues. I'm in the South. It's very hot down here. You can't have AC issues in the South. So the passenger side would blow heat when the driver's side and the rear was blowing AC. That was the first issue. I took it in. They fixed it. They gave the vehicle back. Easy peasy, easy it is. Okay, within the next 3,000 miles, I'm right back in there. All right. So when I'm right back in there, I'm in there this time for a headlight issue. Now, at the end of this video, I will show you the headlight issue I'm having. But the headlight issue I'm having is the daytime lights will stay on when the car is off at nighttime. All right, if you leave out the vehicle, leave out during daytime, you coming back, that transition from daylight to nighttime, the lights will come on with the headlights. But when you turn the vehicle off, the daylights come back on and it stays on. It's the craziest thing. You're gonna have to see it for yourself. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll put it up. But the headlights will stay on. All right, you got 2 daytime headlights, you got the tail light, and you got the license plate light, which just stay on. Okay, they would not go off. They stay on. So in what happens is it causes the battery to go dead, and it causes you to run back outside. People telling your lights are on. Just all kind of madness. All right, the battery to show up that it's low battery when you first crank the vehicle up. You name it, but it's crazy. It caused me to need the jump offs on the vehicles, etc., etc. So, where do we go from here? Okay, we go to like I say, 9,000 miles. Took the vehicle in. They diagnosed. They said they couldn't see anything. I said, okay, well, you know what? Next time I'm gonna video recording myself. All right, here we go. All right, 1,000 miles later, boom, right back in. AC issue again. This time, driver's side blowing heat, passenger and rear blowing AC. I just left here 4,000 miles ago. What's going on? Did you guys not replace both sides, or did you not replace the entire unit that needed to be done? No worries. They get it in, they get it out. I tell them, hey, the headlight issue still doing the same thing. Can you check it again? They check it again. They rack up a $4,800 bill. You heard it right. $4,800 for the AC and the headlight issue. Not only do they replace the AC, but they turn around and they redo any component that's touching the headlight. Far as I know, few sensors, and they come with a $4,800 bill. Wow, $4,800 and 10,000 miles into the vehicle. 6 months in. Wow, now that's unbelievable right there. Now, I'm glad this is on the bumper-to-bumper warranty, because that would have been very costly for me. All right, so we leave. 1,700 miles later, boom, headlight issue again. You are kidding me. You just spent $5,000. They get it back in. Oh, well, we didn't replace one part. We didn't replace everything but this one part. $600 bill. Let's get this one part replaced, and this is going to definitely do it for you this time. We apologize about you continuing to come in, and this is not how our vehicles should operate. Okay, no problem. They replaced that part. I ride 2 months. Boom. Right back again. This time, AC and headlight issue. Did you guess that? You didn't guess that. You really guessed that it was going to be another AC and headlight issue. Yes, another AC and headlight issue. The whole time riding around, my son in the back seat is sweating. That means dripping sweat. Come to find out, the front blowing AC, the back is not blowing AC. Oh my God, the back is blowing heat in the summertime. This is mind blowing. BMW, come on now. This can't be right. So you got the passenger side went out and you replaced the driver's side. Now the driver's side went out and you replaced the rear. Okay, we're back in here for the headlight issue again and the AC issue. Okay, we get it fixed. At this time, I'm fed up. This is not even my car. This is my wife's car, by the way. I'm fed up. I'm like, this car costs $44,000. There's no way I'm in here this many times for a $44,000 vehicle. All right, so I'm fed up. I take the vehicle. I get the warranty repair book out. Got the glove box. They got this 1-800 BMW of North America customer relations and service department. I call. I get a lady. She say, that's unacceptable. You get that car back in there one more time. You let them look at it. And if they don't get it right, we're gonna have to get you in a new vehicle. Yes. Now this is what I'm talking about. Now that's $44,000 worth of customer service. Yes, that's what you read my mind. I'm thinking the same thing you're thinking, man. Okay, so she gets the vehicle back from me, take it back in. She said, I'm gonna follow up with you in 30 days. They fixed the vehicle, $2,800 more for the vehicle. $2,800 again, okay? We had 14,000 miles, I spent another $2,800. Okay, so I get the vehicle, I leave out of town for 30 days. I come back, wife didn't want to let me know I was gone. I come back, the vehicle is still doing the same thing. I'm like, are you kidding me? I call the lady, and oh behold, she has transferred up the ladder. She's in a different compartment. She's in a different area of the company now. Oh no, I have to start all the way back over. They give me the most arrogant guy I ever seen. This guy could care less. He like, well, you don't have to call us. Take it back to the dealership. I'm sure they'll get you right. I don't care if we spend 20 grand on it. We'll spend some more money. We don't care. Oh yeah, wow, you went up there 6 times. What is that, sir? 6 times in a year, you just bought the vehicle. I don't care. Take it back up there. That's his attitude. So take it back up there again. I don't take no for an answer. I bother him. I take it up to the BMW dealership. The whole time they've been doing the repairs, they don't know what's going on. They've been clueless. They don't know what's going on. So they do the repair. They say, well, we're going to go through there. We're going to call some of our tech support in. Somebody, specialty guys that ride around, take care of these issues. Wow, you guys got guys that ride around and take care of issues like this when they come up. Yeah, we got guys ride around, take issues like this when they come up. We're going to get one of them in here. We're going to get your car serviced. Here's a loaner. Oh, let me get you straight. By this. Yeah, so this time I had several of these loaners. I mean, here's a few videos of all the different loaners they have given me. So at this point, at $14,000, BMW's acting like they're going to buy back the vehicle. Customer service said they pointed it down to the dealership to take control of it, and the dealership should be moving on to the next step. So a couple days go by, someone called me from the dealership. They say, can you send videos in of the vehicle, mileage, tires? We want to make sure it's still thread on the tires. Okay, I'm thinking, okay, well, we're moving in the right direction. The gentleman gets the information. He calls back the next day. He said, okay, so we're willing to do a buyback. He said, we want to buy your car from you, and we're willing to give you, I think it was like $30,000. I'm like, hold on, those numbers are not right. How are you doing? Are you doing a limit buyback, or are you just buying it back? I'm just buying it back like if you drove up today and asked us to buy your car from you. Well, that's not the buyback that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the limit buyback. Oh, I don't know if we have a limit buyback here. All states have a limit buyback. I'm in the state of Alabama. There is a limit buyback for the state of Alabama. I paid for it on the bill of sale. It had a bill of sale limit law fee on there. I paid for it. Oh, I got to check with the manager, and I get back with you on that. He waits one day, called me back and say, you know what, I got with the manager on that. They're just going to have to forward that back up to corporate. Corporate will give you a call back in a few days and let you know what they want to do about that. Week go by. All right. At this point, week went by. I'm like, wow, well, we see where they really stand at. So at this point, the GM of the dealership gave me a call. He said, hey, man, BMW called me personally, told me to do whatever it takes to get this vehicle back. I'm going to be honest with you. Once I get the vehicle back, I was told to take the vehicle down to the auction block and get rid of it. As the dealer, I'm not losing any fees, so I don't have anything to gain for not making this situation go away for you. So I'm going to make this situation go away for you. I said, hey, that sounds great. All right. But why you telling me you don't have anything to lose because your fees are covered in the limit buyback? If you're doing a true limit buyback, it states in there that the dealership cannot lose any money, that the manufacturer of the vehicle has to pay you anyway. So you're not doing me any solids anyway. That's the law. So he said, all right, well, I'm not going to lie to you. They don't want to give you any money back for the vehicle. I mean, I may be able to swing for you guys swapping the vehicle out for the same one, a newer year. I mean, hey, 1 year newer. The one I'm in is new. You guys ain't do nothing, no difference between the 19 and 20 model. There's no difference. I mean, I've been driving them. Here's one, you know, I've been driving them. You guys been giving me 2020 for loaners. I've been driving them around. Well, I'll see what I can do and I'll get back with you. I kid you not. A month went by. This guy has not got back in touch with me. At this point, I wrote letters. I'm sending in to corporate myself. And they got in contact with me back about 30 days later, according to my letter. And it was like, well, I need you to bring the vehicle in so we can download the vehicle one more time. So I take the vehicle in. They keep the vehicle for a few hours. They download the vehicle. Once again, wasting my time. This is the 11th trip up to the dealership. Dealership guys like, you know, we were going to give you a courtesy check for having your vehicle not in your possession for 45 days and blase blase. So Sonic Automotive Dealer writes me a check. So at this point, I tell them, I'm not looking for a courtesy check for a 1 month payment. I'm looking for you guys to get the vehicle back. I didn't get what I paid for. Now, this is what the vehicle does. When all the doors are locked, the vehicle has the mirrors fold in automatically when the doors are locked. And the doors are locked and the windows up, the vehicle will stay on day, night, moon, you name it. And since they replaced so many parts, now the vehicle went from going off early in the morning till it stays on about 9 to 10 before you walk outside, if you walk outside that late that day. But at this point, they take another 2 weeks after they download the vehicle, and at this point, I had to just go get an Alabama lemon law lawyer, and they jumped involved. A week after they got involved, BMW comes back with an offer. They say, hey, we give you $6,000 for your vehicle. All right, $6,000 for your vehicle. You keep the vehicle, keep going with the payments, and we can't spend any more money trying to fix the lights. We just won't fix the lights. We'll give you $6,000 for your inconvenience for that. I mean, I've been a year, visited your shop 8 times. We're going to spend $11,316,000 trying to repair the vehicle. And at this point, we just won't go any further with trying to fix these lights. But we'll give you a $6,000 courtesy check. Well, at this point, I have spent all this time and resources getting the lawyer involved, you know, just all the wasting my time. $6,000 is not going to cut it. I mean, the lawyer fee alone is going to be half that. So what am I going to do with 3? No, at this point, you're going to follow by the Alabama lemon law, and we're going to get this car bought back. And we're going to get it bought back where it should be. Now, Alabama lemon law states, minus the miles, I got to get my money back from the original time I bought the vehicle. So if I spent $44, you deduct the miles, then the first issue was reported, and that's where I'm at. Because by law, I didn't get what I paid for. I didn't pay $44,000 to get a lemon. I mean, that's not what I paid for, and that's not what I deserve. So that's where I'm at right now. BMW. So what we have here, we have BMW of North America would like for me to just take the $6,000, keep the vehicle. They won't repair any more light issues, or they rather for me take the $6,000, and yes, you hear it correctly, trade the vehicle in. Yes, BMW of North America told me to take a broke vehicle, take the $6,000, and take it back to the lot and trade it in. You heard it here first. That was they were, and they said that was their final offer. So you know what we told them about that final offer? You can take that final offer and you can put it where you know where. Because we're going to take this thing all the way to court. Hey, and what I plan on getting out of this video? Well, the next person to have to deal with BMW, they can use this video with their case. Because right now, BMW loves sweeping things under the rug. And they just will not take proper ownership of them making a faulty vehicle. And they would rather me take $6,000 off after being bothered with them. And they didn't give me the $6,000 up front. They made me wait a whole year fixing the vehicle, spend $11,316. And now they want me to take the $6,000, pay my lawyer out the $6,000, take the vehicle up there and trade it in. So not only did I have to take a loss of my time, but now they want me to take a loss of my money. Come on, BMW North America. You have to do better than this. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it to court. Or we're going to try to take it to court, because I'm pretty sure they won't let it go to court. Because they try their hardest. I mean, they hardest not to let one of their cars be labeled as a lemon. And Lord knows, probably thousands of their cars get labeled as a lemon every year. They sweep them on the road just like this. But for some strange reason, right now, they're taking mine, and they're taking all single day with my car. So stay tuned. Watch out for the next videos, because there will be some next videos. And I hope you guys didn't see the dealership. I try my best to hide it. But, you know, if it comes out in the next vehicles, what dealership did it and what names, and, you know, it just comes out. Also, I couldn't help but notice, look at this. This is where they went in and messed with. Look at that. Look at that. Look how they left it. I tried to push it in and pop it off, but clearly I don't know what to do with it. And they didn't know, because they left it anyway.